Alright, today we got everybody fighting over the bird feeder today. We got this guy down here. Got the ones I put piles on the ground. They just keep rolling in now. There's these little guys. He puts his seat up there and starts pecking away. And we got this guy. This guy just likes to sit in here and just take over. Yeah, I got all the food I want. I'm just gonna sit here. Yep, this is a good spot. This guy just keeps flying to the bird feeder and then going up here and then pecking away. All right, everybody, see ya.